These chocolate truffles are ridiculously good, and they are made with chickpeas. 4 ingredients, 10 minutes, and I promise you will absolutely love them. All you need is a tin of chickpeas, some dates, unsweetened peanut butter, pure cocoa powder, and a food processor. Add drained and rinsed chickpeas to the food processor, followed by 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for chocolatey flavor, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter for richness, and dates for sweetness. No refined sugar here. If yours are too dry, soak them in hot water first. I also like to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but this is absolutely optional. Blend until completely smooth. You might need to scrape down the sides once or twice. Okay, scoop a teaspoon at a time and roll into balls. I'm also going to show you a few of my favorite coatings that take these truffles to a next level. To coat your truffles, you can simply roll them in cocoa powder, coconut, or chopped nuts. Or my favorite way is to dip them in melted chocolate. Use dark, milk, or white, it's up to you. Chill in the fridge until the chocolate is set. Now my favorite part, taste test. Wow, they are fudgy, they are rich, and honestly, they are better than most shop-bought truffles. And they are high in protein and fiber. It's dessert you can actually feel good about. If you try them, let me know what you think. Subscribe for more recipes like this. See you in the next one!